Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. I just had a good video and it was like such a big burp and it was like the best one that I've had in like a long time and then not so bright. Um and then my computer like crashed a little bit and it didn't save it. So that was a little depressing. But why are you being big? No. Go away. God. If I didn't have a YouTube, I would literally never touch a computer except for when I'm working. And like when I'm working, my computer is like it's like a company computer, so it's generally really good. So if there are ever any issues, it's like server problems, you know, like with our applications. So it's not that bad. Just sneeze. Anyways, I was going to upload a video and then where's Chrome? This is really frustrating. I don't know why it's so slow. I remember like a year ago my husband was saying my computer's so fast and suddenly it's like crud. Maybe because I don't use it as much. I used to turn my computer on all the time and always do the updates, and I just recently updated my computer for like 4 hours. I don't know if it was 4 hours, but it was long. So, let's see if Chrome opens. I highly doubt it's going to open anytime soon, not without shutting off all my other stuff. So, I really don't know. But yeah, back to I hate my job. Oh, that was a little mystery cocktail surprise. Make me wanna, maybe a little bit. Still have a little bit of a sniffly nose, still have a little bit of a cough sort of thing going on from being sick. But mostly all better. My sister is done work at 4, so I don't think Chrome's gonna open. I may have to wake up at some point tomorrow and just upload my videos, but what can you do? I don't know. La 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 la. This is my favorite smell. In the stars. I have a few other really good ones, but actually I like all my smells, but this one is like, I've used 2 whole bottles of it. I don't think I can say that about any other smell that I have. Other than warm vanilla sugar. I've used countless bottles of that. Thought I was sick for a week last week. I was off for a week. Had to get a doctor's note. That was fine. Whatever. And now my paycheck's gonna be really small. Small paycheck. But yeah, I'm looking for a job still. I don't know if I'm gonna post my first video, but work has been very frustrating. Maybe I shouldn't talk so much about work because I don't want anyone I work with to see that I work there. That would be really bad. See my videos, I mean. Anyone that I work with to see my videos. Not that they really know what I look like because my camera doesn't work. Like my computer, this is my workstation. Oh, look at how cute she is. Little cameo right there. My little cameo. Yeah, so I can't even fucking open my YouTube because this is like really frustrating. Let's see if I can bring up YouTube. Can't update Chrome. Reinstall Chrome. Oh, where'd my... Oh, I'm gonna stop this video just because I don't want to lose it again.